telling you all this because you're a writer. Use it, if you want. I swear to you, if he had been wounded more seriously, I don't think I could bear to live a minute longer. But I have courage, you know. I pulled myself together and I thought, all right, I'm going to tear this love out of my heart. Tear it up by the roots.
How?
I'm going to get married. To Medvedenko.
To the schoolmaster?
Yes.
I don't see the necessity.
To be hopelessly in love. To wait year after year for something is... what? But once I'm married, there will be no more time for love. I'll have a whole new set of troubles to drown out the old ones. And anyway, it's a change. Have another one?
Won't that be a bit too much?
Come on. Women drink more often than you think. And stop looking at me like that. A few drink openly like I do, but the majority do it in secret. Yes, indeed. And always vodka or brandy. Cheers. You're a nice man. I'm sorry you're leaving.
I don't feel much like going.
So ask her to stay.
No, she won't. Not now. Her son has behaved in extremely bad taste. First, he tried to shoot himself, and now, they say, he wants to challenge me to a duel. I mean, what's the point? He sulks, he mocks, he carries on about new forms. But really, there's plenty of room for old forms and new ones. Why push each other around?
Try jealousy. Sorry. None of my business. My schoolmaster isn't smart, but he's a good fellow. He's poor, and he's crazy about me. I feel sorry for him. And his old mother, too. Oh well. Let me wish you all the best. Remember me kindly. And thank you for caring about me. Send me your books and be sure to autograph them. Only don't write to Masha, etc. Just put to Maria, who doesn't know where she's going or why she's living on this earth. Goodbye.